ऐसे वाल मेरे अफ्रीकी यार है उधर ने पूछते हैं. Hey bro, how are you?
I'm good, bro.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Yeah.
How long you have been in Wuhan?
Where?
How long you have been in Wuhan?
1 year now.
1 year now.
Yeah.
What about you? Where are you from?
From Tanzania.
Tanzania.
Yeah.
Same country.
Yeah, some kind.
So you study here or you work?
Yeah, we study.
You study.
Yeah.
Which majors do you study?
Marine engineering.
Engineering.
Yeah.
And which university?
Naval University.
Naval.
Yeah.
Okay. So you come here to visit shopping mall or you
Yeah, we visit.
come
We visit.
come to eat Pakistani food?
Yeah, to eat Pakistani.
Oh, you come to eat Pakistani food.
Yeah.
You like Pakistani food?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
Really?
Yeah.
Who told you about this food?
We know.
Okay,
We follow
you tell me your favorite Pakistani food. Where do you like most?
Platter.
Huh?
Platter.
Platter.
Yeah, platter.
Platter.
Yeah.
With rice.
Yeah, I like
Okay,
it.
thank you so much.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Okay.